You're still watching the News on AIT. Moving on, gender advocates have again called on the incoming administration to reduce the low female representation in the 2023 ballot by appointing at least 30% of women in government. The gender advocates who gave the advice during a session by the Development Research and Project Center at the USDG Summit also noted that policies on education, health and procurement for women must be sustainable for greater impact on the nation. Gender equality and girl child education topped discussions during the session on politics and public service. Panelists who included political appointees from Bauchi State agree that the collaborations are needed to effectively tackle and manage issues around girls and women.
There was a time when we were going into local council elections. I was part of a meeting when the governor said that authoritatively every local government should have a lady as a councillor representing the women in the council.
We have our education strategic plan, which outlines, itemizes even areas that we need to support our girls. A 5-year plan to support our girls. After that, we need to review it and come together. There is a collaboration not only with development partners. We have our community structures coming together to emphasize the need to strengthen our system of education, ensure opening up of space for girl-child education.
Executive Director, Women in Business and Public Service, Afsatu Adegbite, and other critical players, and said $7 billion is lost to issues of inequality, hence the need to scale up support for women.
We have seen the numbers from politics has dropped, but from appointive and technocrat contribution, let women be there. Number 2, policies. It is not about setting up policies, but the implementation of the policies. We have so many policies that need active implementation and accountability through the rule of law. Let nobody be above the law. Let us all be subject to that law.
We would also appreciate if the various policymakers, either at the state level or at the federal level, can implement affirmative action on procurement, because that would really help push further that particular area and ensure women's economic empowerment.
The summit appreciated the efforts of the DRPC in the gender support and called on the incoming government and all critical partners, especially research centers, to bridge the gender gap in Nigeria.